A very good morning to all my dear students. This is your computer teacher Devdeep sir, and this is the first class that I am doing with you all. So I am your new computer teacher Devdeep sir, and I hope you all like my first class with you all, which is about a new programming language that we are going to learn, that is Logo, L-O-G-O. So students, this is your first assignment of this chapter. I want you all to please pay attention to whatever topic that will be covered today. So first of all, let us see, students, that what are the topics that I am going to teach you today. First of all, we are going to start with all these topics. You can see how can we download the software MSW Logo. Now, very interestingly, what is MSW Logo? MSW Logo is that particular software that we are using in order to do logo programming. Then I will take you to the brief introduction of what logo programming is about. Then we will understand about a particular character which is there for doing logo programming, which is called turtle. What are the different parts or elements of turtle that we are going to learn? And finally, we will double click and open the software MSW Logo, and I am going to show you what are the different parts of it. So children, please keep your computer books on. I am going to show you the page number now where you all have to open. Those who have already opened the books, please see and open chapter 7. Let us start Logo. So the chapter is Let Us Start Logo, as I already told you, and the page number will be page number 62. Okay. Now before we go how to download the software MSW Logo, we must understand that Logo is not a name of a programming language. Actually, it is a full form. What is it? A full form, where L stands for language. Okay. L stands for language, O stands for off, G stands for graphic, G-R-A-P-H-I-C. Okay. So L stands for language, O stands for off, G stands for graphic, O stands for oriented. In simple terms, Logo is a graphics base. That is, what is the meaning of graphic? That is visual programming language. That means the programming language that we can basically see, okay, how it is working. Okay. So now we will go directly to the Logo software, but before that, how you all can download MSW Logo, please check out. In computer, I am using Bing browser. You all have to type MSW Logo, and you can choose any one of the link. You can go to this link, mswen.softSonic.com. So what you basically have to do, just Google MSW Logo. You all can see. You have to Google this MSW Logo here, and just click on any one of the links to download. Okay. I hope it is clear to everybody now how you all have to do. So now let us get back to the topic. Okay. So I already showed you how you all have to open Logo and download Logo. Okay. Just simply Google Logo and you will be able to download it right from there. Now, Logo stands for language of graphic oriented. What is the use of the Logo language? Children, please see here. And in fact, I request all of you to please mark this here. that logo is a programming language that is used to draw figures, calculate numbers and print words. Okay, that is what mainly logo is used for. Okay, so the main idea is clear to everyone. That is, it can be used to draw shapes, calculation of numbers and even printing words. Okay, now we can do all of this. Of course, we need an input device, isn't it? We can print, we can show whatever effects, but we need a keyboard as a fundamental requirement. Now, here logo uses a special character called turtle. Quite funny, isn't it? It looks like a turtle tortoise, but the shape is like that of a triangle. So what is this shape called, children? This is called the turtle. Turtle, turtle. Now the turtle works similar to your pen or pencil. Just like the help of your pen or pencil, you all can draw different figures. We can also use turtle to draw different figures and shapes. Now, the turtle contains two important parts. The uppermost portion is called the head. So the uppermost portion is called the head, whereas the below or the widermost portion, you see the uppermost portion is very pointy, whereas the belowmost portion is quite wide. This is called the tail. So children, in turtle there are two ends. One is the head while the other is the tail. Now, later on you will see that we can move this turtle in any given direction we want. So the turtle can be moved at a given direction, at a given point, wherever we want. Okay? I hope that's clear to everyone. Now, how we can start logo? There are two ways. First of all, we can directly open logo from our desktop. Let me just show you. So I'll just minimize the browser. So here it is, Microsoft logo, as you all can see. Here is the software. So I can directly just click over here. I can just simply click on this software to just open it. Okay? So let us check once. So double clicking on the software, and we can see that it has started running. I have to click on OK at the beginning. OK again. And here it is. And there, right in front of you is Mr. Turtle, relaxing there because we have not given any command. So he is none other than Mr. Turtle. Okay? Relaxing quietly, not doing any action at all. So, another way of opening is you can directly go to the folder, click on the start button first, click on Microsoft Windows logo and directly launch from here. It's better you can launch directly from the desktop because things get easier in that way. I hope it is clear to each and every one of you. Now we will get back. Yes, so what are the steps we just saw? We have to click on Start button, All Programs, and you have to click on MSW logo. Start All Programs and MSW logo. Now your logo screen is divided into different parts. And components. What are the different components we can see? The first screen that you can see here, where we saw the turtle. Okay, let us open again. This is called the main screen. Okay, so the first screen that is there in front of you, that is called the main screen. This area is where we will write all the codes of Microsoft logo. So let me show you with the help of the laser pointer. So first one is called the main screen, right there in front of you. The second one is called the commander window, where we type all the commands. And these are other commands that we are using. To run a logo command, we click on the execute button. Remember this. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone that we have seen the two major components. Firstly, the main screen, the commander window. Other screens that were visible were the command input box, where we are typing the command. Okay. So, main screen is the graphical area where we all can see the turtle is present. So, children, in today's class, what did we learn? We have come to an end of today's class, and I want you all to please write down these words that we have learned today. What are the things that we have learned today in our class, children? We have learned that the different spellings like logo, turtle, head, tail, logo, logo, turtle, turtle, head, head, tail, tail, main, main, screen, screen. Just make a correction over there. There has been a mistype. And commander window, commander, commander. Excuse me, children. Commander window. Okay. Now, we have also learned the full form. What full form did we learn today? That is logo. L for language, O for off, G for graphic, O for oriented. Okay. So I want all of you to please now write down these words in your computer copy. Okay. I hope you all will be able to understood whatever has been taught today. If you have any confusion, you can just send me a text promptly on the group or even on my personal number. Okay. And do not forget to write down these new words that you all have learnt in today's class. Okay. And where you have to learn? You have to learn and write down these words in your computer copy. Okay. That much only for today's class. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your day and have a nice day.